Let's go ahead and get a few of these out of the way so hopefully you can jumpstart your work tonight. So number 4, what's my exterior angle here? That's the first thing we want to identify. What is D? 17x plus 2. So that's going to go on the left. My other two angles get added together. 8x minus 6 plus 62.
When did y'all get that?
Friday. Were you here on Friday?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come on. Thank you. And this is for you. That's what we're talking about right now. So yeah, we talked about 4 steps. The first step is setting up our equation. So first step is set up. The second step would be combine like terms. What can I combine on the right side here? Negative 6 and 62. We got to make sure we're subtracting that 6 from 62 to give us 56. And it's a positive 56 now. The third step is my inverse operations. So I'll subtract my variable term over to the left. 17 minus 8, what would that give me? 9x. Great job. And then I'll subtract my constant over to the right. 56 minus 2 is 54. And my last step, step 4, is divide. So I divide both sides by 9. Those 9s cancel, leaving me with, what is 54 over 9? 6. Think? Yeah, 6. Those are the same 4 steps every single time. We set it up. We combine the like terms that we have. We bring our variable term to the left, constant term to the right in step 3, and then we divide by whatever's in front of x. It's a very repeatable pattern, hopefully. Let's repeat it down here with number 6. We'll set our equation up. The exterior angle is 22 plus 5x, and that'll be equal to my interior angles added together. 1, 2, we add them up. That's what it looks like. I'm going to combine my constants. Good morning. 40 minus 6 gives me 34. Got to be super careful when we got a negative on there. Thank you. Okay, I combine like terms. Time to bring my variable term to the left. The opposite of 4x is minus 4x. Don't need a 1 in front of my x. I'm just going to call it x. That'll make our answer easier to interpret. And now I bring my constant term to the right. What's the opposite of 22? Minus 22. Good morning. 22's cancel out, leaving me with x equals 12. Okay. Sure, that's fine. First period?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Last but not least, number 8 on the back, top right of the back. My exterior angle here is 21x plus 3. Obviously, it's the exterior angle because it's written outside of my triangle. That's a dead giveaway right there. That should be the easiest part of this, is identifying, which one's on the outside. It's written on the outside. Combine my constants. What is 46 plus 7? 46 plus 7 is 53. 47, 48, 49. Yep. Plus 11x. I'm going to bring my variable term to the left. Again, I'm saying the same thing over and over again. After I bring my variable term to the left, I'll bring my constant term to the right. We should always get something nice and even once we divide both sides. We're left with x equals 5 here. Every single one of those problems looks almost exactly the same because the process is exactly the same each time. This is something we wrote very explicit notes about on Friday. If you weren't here on Friday, I would highly recommend you take a look at the video in Google Classroom because we've got our 4 steps here, what each of those 4 steps look like. Makes it a lot easier for us to repeat this process when we have a new problem. Any more questions we can answer on 79? Okay.